This is the unit number 3 overview of bridge engineering. Contents of these chapters are classification of bridges, factors affecting selection of bridge, important technical terms, piers, its function and types, abutment, its function and types, wing wall, its function and type, foundation, its function and types, bearing, its function and type. This is the unit number 3 overview of bridge engineering. Now, first point is definition of bridge. The definition of bridge engineering, definition of bridge is an structure which facilitate communication route to cross the obstacle in the form of low ground or stream or river without closing the way beneath. Now, bridge is a structure. Bridge is a structure which is provide the passage over obstacle. Suppose obstacle may be river, canal, valley, low ground, stream. These are the obstacles. Now, these obstacles may be natural or artificial. River, valleys are the natural obstacle, and artificial obstacles are canal, roadway, or trench, or large depression constructed for removal of earthwork. These are the obstacles which is created manually, means artificial obstacle. Natural obstacles are river, valley are the natural obstacle. Artificial obstacles are canal, roadway. These are the artificial obstacle over which structure is constructed without closing the way of obstacle. Suppose this is the river. River is a natural obstacle over which structure is constructed. This structure is called as bridge. Bridge is a structure which provide passage over an obstacle without closing the way of obstacle. This is the way of obstacle. This is the river or valley. This may be river or maybe valley. Over this obstacle structure is constructed without closing the way of obstacle is called as bridge. Now, second point is definition of bridge engineering. The branch of civil engineering which deals with design, construction and maintenance of bridges is called as bridge engineering. Now, bridge engineering in which study carried out regarding design, different construction modes and maintenance of bridges are carried out. This is the bridge engineering. This is the branch of civil engineering which is subjected to design, construction and maintenance of bridges. So, due to this, this called as bridge engineering. Now, next point is classification of bridges. Bridges can be classified into various types depending upon the following factors and condition. Now, First, classification of bridge according to functions. Classification of bridges according to functions are aqueduct, viaduct, footbridge, heavy bridges, and railway bridges. These are the classifications according to functions. Now, next type of bridge is classification of bridges according to material. Now, classification of bridges according to materials are timber bridges, masonry bridges, steel bridges, reinforced cement concrete bridges, and last one pre-stressed concrete bridges. This is the classification of bridges according to material: timber, masonry, steel, RCC, and pre-stressed concrete bridges. Now, second classification of bridges according to span length: culverts, minor bridges, major bridges, long span bridges. These are the classifications of bridges according to span length. Next, classification of bridges according to alignment: straight bridges, skew bridges. Next, classification of bridges according to the position of high flood level: submersible bridge, non-submersible bridge. Next, classification of bridges according to size according to road engineers. First type, culvert up to 6 meter span or length, minor bridge 6 meter to 30 meter, major bridge over 30 meter, means more than 30 meter. These are the classification of bridges according to size with consideration of road engineers. Next, classification of bridges according to according to Indian Railway. According to Indian Railway, major bridge, minor bridge, and important bridges. Now, major bridge in which total waterway more than 18 meter. Whatever the waterway available, in that case waterway, width of waterway more than 18 meter, or having any span of clear waterway of 12 meter or more than this, that bridge is called as major bridge. Minor bridge, total waterway less than 18 meter or having span of clear waterway less than 12 meter. Here, span of clear waterway less than 12 meter and total waterway less than 18 meter. Such bridge is called as minor bridge. Next, important bridges: the bridges in which total waterway of 18 meter and more than 110 meter. Such bridge is called as important bridge. This is the classification of bridges according to span length. Now, next type of bridge according to loading: class A bridges, class A bridges, class B bridges. Now, first type, class AA bridges, class A bridges, and third type, class B bridges. Now, next classification of bridges according to life temporary bridge and permanent bridge. Next, according to level of the bridge floor, classification of bridges are deck bridge, semi-through bridge and through bridge. These are the classification of bridges according to level of bridge floor. Next, according to structural form, classification of bridges are beam type bridge. They may be RCC, T-beam, balance cantilever, steel girder, and a second type arch type bridge such as barrel and rib type pill spandrel bridge. Next, suspension bridge. These are the classification of bridges according to structural form.